Introducing the Infinix Note 50, a stylish and feature-rich smartphone that delivers excellent value for its price. It comes with a glass front, plastic back, and aluminum alloy frame, along with IP64 dust and splash resistance for added durability. The phone boasts a 6.78-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display with a crisp 1080x2436 resolution, ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, and up to 1300 nits peak brightness, making it ideal for both gaming and outdoor use. Running on Android 15 with XOS 15, it's powered by the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate 6nm paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, expandable up to 1TB via microSD, perfect for multitasking and media storage. The camera setup includes a 50MP main lens with OIS, a 2MP macro sensor, an auxiliary lens, and dual LED flash, capable of recording up to 1440p video. On the front, it features a 13MP selfie camera for clear and bright self-portraits. Fueling the device is a 5200 mAh battery with 45W fast charging, ensuring all-day usage with minimal downtime. Extra features include a multi-function RGB LED light at the back, under-display fingerprint sensor, face recognition, Bluetooth 5.4, IR blaster, FM radio, USB Type-C, and OTG support. All of these come at a budget-friendly price of just 8,771 pesos on their official Shopee store, with potential discounts using vouchers. The Infinix Note 50 offers premium features, reliable performance, and modern design, all at an affordable price. A smart choice for those who want more without spending more. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates.